Ew. Wow, Sona, that looks really cool on you.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah.
Really worth it, right? Guys have really complimented me for this bag. It could be sarcasm, but I think they mean it.
Swarna will 2,80,000. Comes with
Oh, it has
audio.
this too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. We like the girl also. And ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಅವರ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮನೇಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಮೈಕಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಜಾತ್ರೆನ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಒಂದ್ ಮಣ ಮೈಕಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್.
ಹೌದು, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಕೀಯದವರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಾಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು.
ಏನೇನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಕೈಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಅಡಕಿದಾಳೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ ನ ಕರೆಯೋಣ ಶೋ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಕೋಮಲ್, ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ ವಾಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ this. Okay, hello, you have, I'm good. Look at your bestie. You don't squeeze me now.
ಈ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾರತವೇ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
I have this amazing soul here. And
Thank
you're
you.
like, you're really nice, man.
Thank you.
ಸೊ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೈಕಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ. ಏನೇನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು, ಜಾಕೆಟ್, ಶೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವೈ ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
No! God, please, no! No!
You have to show off your things now.
I have to show off.
Yeah.
I don't really want to show off, but I really want you girls to get this for yourself. Treat yourself, work hard for this.
Now we have to sell our kidney to buy all these things. Yeah,
Not really.
no, but they'll get to know after you start telling the prices for each
Price?
bag.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
a
Okay,
little expensive.
Start from your pretty one.
Chalo bhai.
Yeah, the girly vibe. So I actually wanted green color in this because I'm obsessed with green. But then I found this really cute, and then I also found a matching pair of shoes, which I wanted to twin. There you go. So yeah, this is
Yeah.
around. This one is 200 CAD,
Okay.
and this one is also around.
Yeah, euro.
200,
Yeah.
Okay,
200, 400,
how much is in
18 to 20,000 ಆಯ್ತು.
she will start writing it, and end of the video she'll tell how much in total.
Mustard yellow.
Wow,
It's really cool.
this is
right?
so cute. This is my favorite too.
Yeah. And the reason why I love Michael Kors, one major reason is because it's really fancy and it just enhances my personality more.
Oh,
So
yeah, it matches with your color.
and this one is I still have tags on it. So
Say it's okay, it's okay.
357 CAD.
Okay, you're right.
57
CAD. Look at that, the auditor is ready. Auditor is
Okay.
but I really like this color,
Yeah,
man.
that's really
It's
nice.
really cool.
And then this one is really bad condition because this is actually what my sister wanted to do with me. She gifted me as a Christmas present and she wanted it to be transparent so that the world could know how messy I live. So sorry about that, but it's
But
really expensive around.
After you're having all these bags, yeah. How much is this? You have to tell.
I think 157, 200 around that.
Oh
Yeah,
my
it's-
god.
I don't really think this one is that worth it, but just because it's green,
Yeah, your favorite is green.
it has all my heart.
Oh my god. But this is nice actually. When
Yeah,
you
so
put,
bright colors.
yeah, when you keep your iPhone 17 Pro Max,
That will show off too.
world will know. No,
And then-
guys will know that how rich you are.
Yeah. And then this is
This-
something decent, not my personality, but sometimes you need to look classy and
Yeah.
elegant. So this one is for my professional meetups. And I think it's one of Swarna's favorite ones.
Yeah.
So now this is
And
your
this is
favorite.
Yeah, I
expensive.
like this
Okay,
color.
this is really nice, and even I like this bag. Their
So-
signature bag.
I
I mean,
think
this
that should
color.
be
Yeah.
somewhere around 400.
Okay, how much is this?
No, that's not 400, around 200 to 50 in between. 200
okay.
to 50.
Swarna has to write it now.
Yeah.
And then the black
Brand new.
ones. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I still have tag on it, which you guys shouldn't really see.
Okay, I have to show it to them. Show. See.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ?
I hope they were
450.
thinking I have some shady business. I
450.
don't really have any shady
Yeah,
business.
450. She works hard, and then that's all. She goes to Michael Kors and make them rich.
They're already rich.
Yeah. So this is.
But this one is something that I like. I haven't used it yet, but I don't know. I just feel that goes on all other outfits.
This is black
Yeah.
beauty.
And
So
this one is something that we just unpacked, but we missed the content. So you can see it's still like
Just
unwrap.
Swarna happily
Yeah.
unwrap
And
this.
feels-
This is skin. It
yeah,
feels. Swarna, no.
it shouldn't be.
This is like real skin, I think. I don't know. Don't ask me. And how much for this?
Oh, this is
$250.
cute
Cutie.
jacket. It's so comfortable and cozy.
And this is
See, you can feel
lightweight too.
Yeah, lightweight, and it is water resistant,
Mhm.
and it also has a logo on it of MK because I really love MK, and world should know I'm obsessed with MK too.
Yeah, and she also told MK is better than Coach. It hurts me.
Because Coach is more of like decent collection, and MK is like fancy. So,
अच्छा 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 ठीक है
and then this is my one favorite
Favorite.
jacket.
So
It
yeah,
is
for
so
everything she told
cute.
favorite. Okay, what is the price of this jacket?
I think 400, 450 something. I think
Smells so
400.
good.
Yeah,
I have
400,
to do a
450.
perfume video also.
Yeah, that's my next small business. Which
Yeah.
I'm starting really soon.
Okay.
Again calling man ಇನ್ನು ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಬರೋದಿದೆ.
So this is what? 450.
450,
So
yeah.
you didn't get it in discount. So you go to shop.
25% off.
Okay, put it around $300. Okay, this one.
And then this is, I think it still has a tag.
Here.
Here.
It's a $495. Okay. Okay, around 20.
But it's worth it, guys. Look at it.
You have to wear it.
Wow, Sona, that looks really cool on you.
Comes with
Oh, it has
body.
this too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
No, I just like the color, and then I was like, I'm getting it.
See how beautiful she
Oh,
is.
beautiful?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Look at this.
You-
And then this jacket.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah.
Really worth it, right?
I don't know about that.
Am I not looking that cute?
You're looking cute. I'm sure about it, but I don't know if it's really
For the
worth it.
price.
If I say it's really worth it, people will be like, "How?"
And then I have a twinning footwear for these.
Show. Yeah. You can show that also.
This one with this,
Oh wow.
and then I have this bag with this footwear. Actually, I have the same print boots, but I need to look for it.
So if at all any thief come to your house, then
Gonna have teeth.
Kaldru
okay,
ban-
she's a girl.
no, they can
And then
sell
this
it.
one. Oh, yes, I never thought of it.
They can sell it.
I thought I've spent all my money in shopping, and then this is not really getting anything. And then for that black elegant thing, is this cute little, and it also has a nice logo.
She's like, you know what? They have to make you as a brand ambassador for
That's
Michael
what I
Kors.
was wondering. They should. This
Show
one
it.
is also my personal cute little favorite, and guys have really complimented me for this bag. It could be sarcasm, but I think they mean it. So it's so cute.
Yeah, show. It's really nice. Guess bag.
And
How
then
much?
It's so flashy. This is just $50,
But yeah, it's really nice.
right?
Yeah.
Too flashy?
No.
Not.
No, right?
No, Arna.
Not
It looks. It looks good for Arna for sure.
Yeah, cute little
When
thing.
she wants to go to high school, she can take that. And that
Sorry.
one is pretty good.
This one would be around $50, $70 on sale, and that would
That
be
was Swarnan
35.
favorite.
Yeah, 35.
I can't believe that it's 35 because
Yeah,
that looks
35.
really nice.
35, 50, not more than that for sure.
Wow, that's so cool. That's all you have?
Yes, I have a lot more, but then
Can you just keep everything outside so one day we will come?
Yeah.
And then we'll show the world how obsessed girl looks like.
So
with MK,
far-
I am. She is on it, literally.
Swarna will 280,000. So you, what do you, how do you feel now?
I think it's worth
You'll
it.
go for shopping again.
I still think it's worth it.
I know it's
I'm
nice
happy
collection.
about it, yeah. But these collections are good, right?
Yeah.
You guys should let us know in comments which bag or which
yeah.
footwear you like the most.
yeah.
Okay.
We like the girl also.
Give me. Only if you can afford me.
Yeah, that's the point. Yeah.
Mini heart
Okay,
attacks.
thank you so much. You're so nice.
I love you.